Hey guys, it's John here with Bailey Family Insurance and our Claims Minute. It's motorcycle season. Even today it is cloudy, but it's at least going to get almost up to 70 degrees today, and I know you guys want to get those bikes out on the road. Some of you choose to put your bikes on storage insurance and get driving coverages back on them around this time of the year. I want to talk to you from a claims perspective about the things you should be thinking about when you go to get that policy in force. Obviously, if you want us to be able to pay to replace the motorcycle, we're going to want comp and collision on it. That's going to cover any physical damage to the motorcycle. But guys, when I think motorcycle claims, I'm not so much worried about the bike. I'm worried about you that is a lot more expensive, a lot harder to put back together, and also irreplaceable. So that means carrying high levels of liability, because that will also ensure that if you get hit by somebody with state minimum coverage or someone with no coverage at all, that you can have plenty of funds to be able to cover any kind of medical expenses. Also, your medical payments portion of it, which is a separate limit, making sure that's a high amount. There can be situations in which there can be not an accident, but as you start seeing motorcycles everywhere, what happens when a car cuts you off and swerves, and you have to cut out of the way and maybe you roll the bike on over to yourself. Well, I don't have a collision, so I don't have a claim where I can make their policy pay out, or have a uninsured motorist property damage or uninsured motorist bodily injury pay out. But if you have medical payments, then we can cover any of those injuries that happen to you. I've seen muffler burns, I've seen broken legs, I've seen all sorts of really terrible things where there wasn't actually an accident. The motorcyclist actually avoided what could have been a very serious, very fatal situation. So as you guys get those bikes out, and as we're talking about making sure we have the right coverages put back on them, please think about those very important things so that at claim time, we can make sure that we're giving you guys the appropriate funds that you need to get back on the road.
Bailey Family Insurance, we have plans for you.